Hello everyone, welcome back again to Spateria channel. In this video I will show fix Windows 10 not showing thumbnails of photos. Thumbnails are somewhat helpful, but unfortunately, many reported that thumbnail previews are not showing in Windows 10 for them. This problem can affect all operating systems, and many reported that folder thumbnails are not showing in Windows 10. Today, we're going to show you how to fix this issue permanently on your PC. Let's start. Open Windows Explorer. Click Right this PC and select Properties. Select Advanced System Setting. Select Tab Advanced and select Performance. Click Setting. Checklist Show Thumbnails instead of icons. Click Apply and OK. Windows 10 can be showing thumbnails of photo. Thanks for watching.